Chris Johnson here with Rivertown Pro Wash, and I just want to give you a little deal on a surface cleaner. And I'm going to kind of show you a before and after. So let's look at this, and these look like almost the same kind of bar. They're exactly the same, except this one is brand new. And so as you look at this bar, you see the beautiness of the circumference of it. It's not eat up. It's not damaged in any way. I mean, it really looks like the barrel of a rifle. The tip's in very good shape. All right, so my surface cleaner started gyrating and jumping really bad. So this is my old bar. Now look when I roll it over. Look at that tip. Wore out. Look at that. And look at the bar. The bar is literally eat up all the way down. The other side is the same way. So we'll lay them down, and I'll give you a side look at them. Look at that. Look at the tips, look at the bar. So yeah, I definitely let this go too far. And that happens sometimes when you're not on the truck and you're not working the equipment every day. You know, things can fall through the cracks because your guys they're just not letting you know, the equipment's not running right, it's not performing to its potential. Anyway, I found this out the other day because I actually went and done some curb cleaning. And when I pulled the trigger, it just gyrated very bad. So I knew something's wrong, looked under it, and the bars eat up. So anyway, new bar, 80 bucks, and it's fixed. But just food for thought, guys. You may want to just check your equipment. I'm putting a process in place now that every Friday I go through and I'm firing all my equipment up, making sure PSIs are where they need to be, making sure surface cleaners look like they're good, making sure handles aren't leaking, making sure O-rings are in the fittings. So just the small things that keep us going. All right, guys, y'all subscribe and like our channel, and hope this helped you in some way. See ya.